All right, hey guys, today what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash this old girl. All right, now this may be a dumb thing to do because it is a side-by-side. It is new to me, and I do like to somewhat take care of things. So, I mean, I think washing it will at least make me feel a little bit better. Now, if you don't own a pressure washer, that's fine. I wouldn't own one either if I didn't marry someone whose parents actually gave a shit about me. So they ended up buying me this thing for my birthday, I think. And this is one of those gifts that I don't think a lot of guys will buy themselves, but I would never buy this for myself. But it is nice. Now, if you've never used one of these things before, they're pretty easy. They come with like a bunch of nozzles, but I'm actually gonna try this, I think, and this is how it goes. I'm assuming this is how it goes, right? That's how that must go. Come on to her. I don't think that's actually how that goes. Does anyone else know how this goes? Don't mind me just trying to put a hose together, you know? There's no way that's how that goes. I don't want to break something already. It's a push twist kind of thing, I think. So I'm assuming this goes on like that. Oh, am I ever? Does that make sense? No, this has got to be, this is the other way. There we go. It's like it never happened. And I'm going to fill this up with some soap. If you're wondering what soap I'm using, it has the same name brand, so it must be good. All right, simple as that. I'm assuming after suction, this will work. Put that back there. Let's get to spraying, right? Huh? Go turn the water on. I've only used this thing once. It was last year, so I think that's the on button, so I think she's primed, I think. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at the suds on her. That is some satisfying. That's satisfying. This thing's awesome. Does every pressure washer work this good? This thing's gonna be spotless. Around the other way I go. All right, we're out of soap, but that worked actually awesome. Honestly though, like, holy boy, that thing worked awesome. Like, I know, like, it's soap, but damn, that thing was good. I did use a decent amount. That half did all right. And again, I did put some in here. I don't know. The only thing I'm assuming, I know cars, don't shoot anything in there because that's the intake for your clutch. And then same the other side, that's the intake for your engine. So definitely don't. Maybe you should put something over it. I'm just gonna make sure I don't do that. Now I let that kind of soak in for 5 minutes. Now I'm just gonna hose it down. I got the old 15, or no, I got the 40 degree on. So it's not gonna be super bad. I'm not gonna go too deep into this, just to give it a nice rinse. I'm already knowing that I'm not going to do this a lot. This is already like put a lot of work in. I don't really see much. I definitely shouldn't have cleaned the inside of this. There's a drain hole here. Probably a smart idea. But it is an all-terrain vehicle, so screw it. I'm going to do the same to the other side. I'm not going to do this. I'm already not going to do this a lot. Let's get inside where I probably shouldn't have. So like I said, there's a drain plug here. This isn't as fun as it used to be. I wish I could go back to soaping, honestly. Okay, now I'm gonna let that dry, make supper, and I'll come back. All right, so it's much later. Sun's going down. There's about 1 million black flies out here, and I feel like that was a total waste of time because it looks just as dirty as it was before. Now this might have been a loss, big loss, but remember, it doesn't matter if you win or lose as long as you win.